Hi guys, today I'm going to show you another of my favorite recipes. It's a very easy recipe that will come in handy during those hard days of quarantine, I think. Very hearty and delicious recipe. It's a curry gratin and the recipe comes from Kyushu, the south of Japan. What you need is retort curry, shredded cheese, Gruyere can go well, Comté can go well, but also those, let's say, pretty tasteless pizza cheese that we find in Japan can match too, of course. And you will need an egg per person. These retort curries are for one person. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. Enjoy! So that was today's recipe. If you have any requests about a recipe that you would like me to make, especially French recipes, please do not hesitate. Write a comment after this video and I will try and make it. Voilà, see you very soon. À bientôt. Bisous. Bye guys.